everyone, and welcome to another episode of Membership Minute, SGIA's new series dedicated to bringing you the latest in association news. This week, we have some information for the PDAA, or Installer Market segment. If you're not yet familiar with PDAA, it stands for Professional Decal Applicators Alliance. SGIA is named to represent this very specific and special community in the printing industry. The community of installers has the hands-on skills that bring a printer's work to life. They install graphics on vehicles, retail, and commercial applications. Some even wrap planes and boats. Not only does SGIA know installers, it knows certifications. So this year, we're rolling out 3 new PDAA certified badges. The color change badge for installers certified in the key components for the restyling protection industry, or RPI, with a focus on color change vinyl wrapping for vehicles and shop operations for a color change installation company. The commercial graphics badge certifies an installer's ability to manage any vehicle wrap, including the rivets found on many box trucks or trailers. And finally, the Architectural 1 badge indicates installers certified with this badge have the skill set, the knowledge of industry terms, and the proficiency with all the tools necessary to install any type of standard architectural film in a typical industry setting, such as retail stores, trade shows, banks, and more. To find out more about how you can become PDAA certified, check out sgia.org/communities/installation-PDAA. If you're interested in becoming certified, the next PDAA certification is coming up soon. It's taking place March 25th to the 26th in Fairfax, Virginia. For printers looking to find a skilled installer, use SGIA's Find an Installer search by visiting apps.sgia.org/PDAA/installersearch.cfm. You can quickly search skilled installers by city or state and find out if they are PDAA certified to find the perfect installer for your job. SGIA is an association built by and for the printing industry. To learn more about the benefits of becoming an SGIA member and how SGIA can help you grow your business, visit sgia.org or call 703-385-1335. The membership team is looking forward to hearing from you. See you next time.